Hi friends, good morning. Today I am going to explain you about this VSD plus Atlas Copco VSD plus air compressor. So this VSD plus is we have a lot of advantages on this compressor. So highly energy efficient. That means the IPM motor provides energy savings of 50% on average compared to idling compressors. And smaller and taller VSD plus machines feature a unique vertical design concept that reduces the system footprint by about 60%. Improved free air delivery. So in terms of CFM, it is the an impressive 6% increase in FAD further improves VSD plus efficiency and performance. Less noise if compared to other compressors, the noise is less. Cooling fan that produces as little as 73 dBA during operation. This allows compressor installation on the factory floor rather than in separate room, potentially freeing a dedicated compressor room for another use. And one more thing, easy service. VSD Plus machines features easy to access parts and maintenance. You just see here there is a lot of place to access the maintenance and service and monitoring. The VSD Plus range incorporate Atlas Copco state of the electronic and smart controller system that feature embedded connectivity with a smart link. This allows simple and effective remote monitoring and uh, integrates with plant management system built to last. Okay, so these are the advantages of this VSD compressor. So if I come to operation, see here there is a air filter on the top and there is a suction hose. From the suction hose, here there is a two circuits, one is oil and one is, this is the drive train, one is oil and one is oil circuit. First air comes through air filter, okay, from this hose, and next inlet wall, there is a bottom inlet wall and is compressed in the compressor element. In this element, a mixture of compressed air and oil flows into the air receiver oil separator. The air flows through the minimum pressure valve, the air cooler and the condenser strap to the outlet valve. Minimum pressure valve prevents the receiver pressure from dropping below a minimum pressure and includes a check valve which prevents blowback of compressed air from the net. Okay, next, this oil. The air receiver removes most of the oil from the air oil mixture by centrifugal action. The oil separator OS, that is only the oil separator OS, removes the remaining oil. The oil collects in the lower part of the receiver which serves as oil tank. This is the separator. The oil system has thermostatic bypass valve. Here they mentioned like green and blue and red. This is the oil cooler, that is the air cooler, green part. Okay. So the oil system has thermostatic bypass valve. When the oil temperature is below 70 degree, the bypass valve shut off oil supply from the oil cooler. Air pressure forces the oil from air receiver through the oil filter. The oil cooler is bypassed. See, this is the dryer. First I will complete this. When the oil temperature has increased up to 70 degree, bypass valve starts opening the supply from the oil cooler at approx 85 degree. All the oil flows th- all the oil flows through the oil cooler. The filtered oil flows through the cooling channels of the permanent magnet motor into the compressor element. So this is the dryer details, dryer nameplate. So here the drain valves. Actually, this compressed air circuit is like this only. Compressed air comes into the heat exchanger, and the outgoing cold dried air cools the incoming compressed air. Water in air starts to condense, then the air flows through the heat exchanger. So this is oil filter, and it's a spin-on type of oil filter. Just to check this, here is the solenoid coils for vent loading and unloading, and vent solenoid coil. So when the cooled oil will come to this uh, oil filter, after that filtered oil will go to element. So this is the oil circuit, just I explained before that. So this is the red in the sense hot in the sense hot oil, blue in the sense cold oil, which is goes to next oil filter. From oil filter to this air and element, and this is the separator. There is a lines. The red line is the hot, that means the oil filter. Blue is the air symbol, that means the air and oil separator. That the So next, when we come, this is the dryer. After that dryer, this causes the air to cool further close to the operating temperature of the refrigerant. More water in the air condenser. The cold air flows through the separator where all the condensate gets out the air. The condensate is automatically drained to the outlet. The outgoing cold dried air flows through the heat exchanger where it is warmed up by the incoming compressed air. So just for this dryer, I will explain you one more video by in detail, because the this matter explanation details is so it will take a lot of time.